Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we're looking at a Honda c50, just been imported from Japan directly in really original condition. Paintwork is very nice as well, and it's in all around good condition with the nice original front basket, which is good to see. Front tyre then is perfect, as you can see. Front mug guard is good, front headlamp assembly is good, as well as the indicators. The basket is nice, has a little bit of surface rustling, but that's what you always get on these. The clocks are good, handlebars are really nice. Original leg shields, as you can see. Brake lever, a little bit of aging on the, or rubbing on the engine there. As you can see throughout here, go as close as I can. Oh, nice to see the original Japanese stickering as well, as you can see down here. Really cool. Exhaust shield is really good condition. Rear shocks are in good condition. Seat itself is in nice condition as well. Honda 1997 bike. The rear wheel is brand new, or rear tyre I should say. Chain is good. Chain guard is also in nice condition. You have the all your stickering here is still visible, which is good to see. Original Honda chaky stickers. Side stand and main stand, and all the way through the bike, and the original key as well. And underneath, I'll just show you how clean the bike is. Just come here, unlock the seat. Oopsies. There we go. Underneath, look how clean that is. Absolutely beautiful. Right, and we'll close her up. That's about it for the visual analysis anyway. If I can get the key out, here we go. I'll put it in the ignition. That's all about it for the visual analysis, so we'll now move on to the ride along video. Alright, we're on the c50 chaly. After our RX-50, I haven't watched that video. Well, I wasn't pulled over, I was just old woman freaking out I was going too fast. But we might see her again. We'll give her a good wave and see how she is. And we get up to speed again on this little 4-stroke mobile. We'll see if she's up here. We'll give her a nice little wave and see how she is, because she's in a foul mood today. She is. Didn't like me coming up on a 2-stroke bike at all. So here we are. I'm doing pretty much the exact same speed I was doing on the RX-50, maybe a bit quicker, about 5 kilometers quicker, because I'm doing 45 now, and I was doing about 50 up the hill on the RX-50. Well, look, Christ above. Anyway, onto this bike. Really fun little thing. Very original. As you can see. And here we are. And we're around. Really easy to handle, great looking little bike, great for the Honda 50 runs. You come in something a bit unusual and different. That's it. And we're up to 55 kilometers an hour. This thing's capable of about 60 downhill, 50 uphill. That's all about you're going to get out of her, but that's nearly any 50. This is geared, does have the seesaw gears like a Honda 50. If you've ever had one of them, does have the foot brake on the right hand side and the main brake on the right hand. That's that. Right, so we're going to pull in here on the left hand side, check the bike out, see what she looks like on the road, and then here we are. Now we'll pull in here. There we go. Right. Come in here, have a look around her. There she is. There's her front left headlight. You do have the noise as well, to let you know that the indicator is on. Sorry, as you can hear. Here we are, and then the rear left. There we go, and the front right and the rear right. There we go. And there's that. Well, we can see if we can get the headlight on. There's that lamp. Lovely. all the lights working, everything running really nicely, ticking over well, running really well. So that's kind of it for this little review and overview of the Honda c50 Chaly. And so if you have liked the video, please do leave a like. Also comment down below on what you think of this little Honda CF50, and finally subscribe if you haven't already.